We're getting ready to go on the off-road excursion, follow the leader. Pretty excited about it. It is snowing pretty good out here. We're going to take these Power Wagons out for a little run. We got 4 of them here. But it's just pouring snow, so it's hard to handle it. But got the video going here a little bit. I had to wipe the lens. Sorry about that. But got the Ram Power Wagons. We got 4 of them ready to go. Be heading out here in a few minutes for the off-road run. Go ahead and do a quick walk around on the Ram.
1,000 pound-feet of torque, 35,100 pounds of towing, and 7,680 pounds of payload.
Now they did update the Ram Power Wagon. They've got a little more angle approach, and with the new front bumper and the new winch. And you can see here it's the nylon rope on the wrench. It's a synthetic rope material here, so it's much lighter, easier to handle, easier to be around. So a lot has improved in that aspect of things. Got the 6.4 Hemi with the 8-speed automatic. This one has the really good old school decal package, which I really like. Now there was one running around earlier that was a red one in a Tradesman style package without any striping that looked really good. Again, still Power Wagons. Yep. Just awesome pickup trucks. Still have a lot of questions asked, but we haven't had a chance to catch up with one of the engineers yet. Working on that. And here's that Tradesman one here. So if you look, this one doesn't have the decals. It doesn't have the really trick LED lamps. It's more of a simplistic truck. I really like this one because it's still a Power Wagon, but it's also a much more simplistic version of it. As we come around the truck, you can see it still shares the wheels, still shares all of the common stuff as a typical Power Wagon, but it has the cloth interior and the smaller stereo, and just a more simpler truck ready to go. Note that the Power Wagons have the manual lever for activating the 4-wheel drive system. This one also has a bench seat, so transfer case lever is manual. No electronics in the Power Wagon. It's still a manual switch to get it done. I do like the bench seat with the console, well the fold down armrest, and but definitely looking good Power Wagon wise. This one's quite possibly my favorite, just because it's the simple truck. Really nice truck.
This nasty little off 90-degree turn here takes a 3-pointer.
Oh, okay.
Say that because there's a rock that you really can't even see to the left corner of the truck. So you just back up a little bit until you feel it get pop up. Turn back into it, and the truck will actually just rotate itself around this little mound on my right. I'll get up here and pop out and run down as much you guys see.
Would you mind holding it? There you go. Appreciate it. It's kind of muddy. junk. That was easy enough.
Truck, so try to stay to the left as much as you can.
Oh yeah, that's a significant drop off.
Yeah, that would be a...
Somebody's already pushing the hose in.
nice view.
Alright, so now we're going to place more buttons and switches. On your right knee, next to the sway bar button, underneath the rotary shift, you see a little pickup truck going downhill. It looks like it's got a clock in the back of it. Go ahead and push that. Now you'll see in the center cluster hill descent on, adjust your speed. So on the right-hand corner of the cluster, you also see 0.6 miles per hour with the same insignia that's on the button. So we're going to set hill descent control. On your horn cover, to the right of it, you're going to see where your right thumb about would be a gear limit switch, and a plus and a minus. You're going to push that plus button until in your cluster, on that right-hand corner, you're going to see 2.5. That is the speed at which you will descend. And you can just let go of the brake and the truck will do the rest.
All right, here we go.
You do still have to steer, though. That was for you.
Man, I'm getting the brunt of everything this week.
It's because you're such a great sport, man. You jump down the hill, get about 100 feet into it. On your right-hand side, you'll see a crevice. We wanted to make the Power Wagon course up that hill, but the owner was not having it because he's afraid of what would come down when we were up there the hill with 3/4-ton trucks.
That would have been fun.
So the Power Wagon has a 4-camera feature. And unfortunately for all of you, the only truck that has is the one I'm driving. So you're asking, why did you do that, Nick? And I did it because I couldn't get the 4-camera built on these trucks at the timeline I needed. So we adapted one to this truck. And although if you want to see it, you want to see it working, I can show it to you. I just can't let you drive this specific truck because I like it so much. You just turn a little bit to your right down that. It's a bit of a trust fall.
The hill descent works pretty darn good.
Yeah.
I've used it in a Jeep. This is definitely bigger than a Jeep. Very easy.
Mm-hmm.
For this truck anyway.